Like imagine being able to take your city council meetings and generate a newsletter based on the city council meeting videos. Let's go over here to Quso AI. Here's the home page, and as you can tell, there's a lot of different stuff you can do in Quso. So you can create AI clips, you can create AI influencer videos, generate captions. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to create written content from your videos. So you just click right here, you import a YouTube link. Now I'm going to save us some time because I already uploaded a video. It's a video of the City of Broken Arrow, Oklahoma City Council meeting, and you'll see that here. So here's the Broken Arrow City Council meeting, and it was on April 15th. Happy Tax Day. So here it is, and we can just click right here, newsletter. And there we go. Right away, it creates for us a newsletter. Now, what I like to do with the newsletter is I like to go right here, copy it. I'm going to go open up a ChatGPT page. That way, I can have ChatGPT kind of refine some things, make sure it's all good. And that's just a personal way how I like to do this. So let me show you how I do it personally. Okay, so here we are in ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, I'm writing a newsletter for the City of Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. Can you help me with my first draft? Paste that in there, and there we go. Okay, and here's a refined version, it says. You can see just how quickly and easily it was for us to create a LinkedIn or create a newsletter, right? And the same thing too for LinkedIn posts. Kind of got ahead of myself right there. Right here, LinkedIn posts addressing flooding concerns and development projects. I can go here, copy it, go back here and say, now I'm creating a LinkedIn post for our page. Can you help me with this draft? And again, here we go, addressing the flooding concerns, flooding and growth in Broken Arrow, talks about some concerns in the South Fork area. A lot of our residents, in fact, probably the vast majority of them, the overwhelming majority of them, just aren't going to sit down and watch a 90-minute council meeting, right? We all know this. We know this intuitively. So the question is, how do we get the critical information out there to make sure that our residents are engaged, they're informed, they know what's going on, and they feel like their voices are being heard, and also to amplify all voices, not just the voices of those who are merely the loudest per se, right? Negativity typically always wins in social media. The loud negative voices seem to win. So how do we amplify the silent positive voices as well? Well, tools like Quso, I think, can be a really excellent way to do this, because while people may not sit down and watch a 90-minute council meeting, will they read a newsletter from the city that comes into their email inbox? Probably more likely to. Will they read a Facebook post? Probably more likely to. Will they read a LinkedIn post? If they're on LinkedIn, probably more likely to. They're following your content, yes. So these are the different ways that we can engage with our residents using the really important and critical information that we find in city council meetings to make sure the message is getting across, making sure we have good, engaged, and informed citizenry and residents that really benefits all of us all together. Hey, two things for you really quick here. Number one, I am now offering my generative AI course for local government, generative AI for local government. I'm offering that at 50% off for the first 50 people who sign up using the code FRAGILE. Why the code FRAGILE? Well, that's number two. We are launching a book called Fragile Systems, Ecological Approach to AI Government. It's coming out on July 1st. If you want to get early access to that book, and if you want to be able to get 50% off your first order for that book, go to fragilesystemsbook.com. Two quick things. Let's get back to the video. So now there's one more thing I want to show you with Quso, because on the issue of resident engagement and information, we all know that short content is really one of the most important contents of how we get information today, right? You think of the TikTok videos, shorts, Instagram reels, things like that. That's where a lot of information is being consumed by our residents, by information, right? A lot of that is being done in that short duration, those clips like that. So, well, luckily for us, Quso can do the exact same thing as well. So let me show you that real quick as well. I'm going to click here on all projects again. I'm going to click on the City of Broken Arrow Council meeting, the AI clips right here. I'm going to click there, and it's going to start creating my shorts for me. Project sidebar here, I won't get too much into that, just a couple things here. And you can see just quickly and easily how fast we do this. So here's one for community recognition by a state representative, public hearings, introducing a new police chief. So just these really quick and easy videos that you can then take and post onto your social media page. You also customize the clips. You can create from transcript, from timestamps as well, AI tools. You can remove silences, auto scene change detection, all that. We can edit it, download, and off the races. So we can edit this right here. Got it. Perfect. Let's elevate the words right there. Push play.
We have a new chief of police, and his name is Lance Arnold. His family was here last week. I do believe they have found a home, and I anticipate that he will start work on January 6th, just a couple of weeks from now. And sometime that week, tentatively, there will be a press conference that we will hold that I can introduce Chief Arnold and his family to Broken Arrow. And obviously, I want to make sure the council members can make it, because
then you can see the video right there. How easy was that to do? Super, super easy to be able to click on these different videos, basically creating viral shorts and viral content. Not that you want to go viral, but stuff that people are actually going to be able to engage with. And resident engagement is so important in local government. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your time. And thank you to all of you who are going to read this newsletter at a future date as well. Hope you enjoy that as well. Until next time, be well.